Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simplicity A. Marie, and it's your girl A. Marie. I want to do a video today on something called a quesadilla burger. It's something that I love at Applebee's. Me and my best friend used to go all the time, and I would get that every single time. But I'm doing a twist on it, and we're going to do turkey. So, before I start this video, make sure you guys hit like, share, subscribe. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave a comment down below. So what I have here is a pound of ground turkey. I got some seasonings mixed here in my bowl. I got some cumin, some garlic powder, some Creole seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, and a little bit of paprika. And I'm just gonna pour this in here like that. And y'all know I got my gloves because y'all know I don't do meat. So I'm just gonna mix all of that seasoning in my burger really well. Sorry, not my burger, in my meat really well. And I'm just trying to like fold it all in. And we're gonna do us some good old burgers. I got my griddle in here getting hot, just like I'm supposed to be. And I want to get everything seasoned really good and incorporate it really good. So it's Saturday, guys, and I'm just like, you know, I really got a taste for a quesadilla burger, but I don't do, beef. So we're just going to start with some ground turkey. And I still did all my seasonings, and I'm just going to mix this in really good. I'm going to do about 4 patties with 1 pound of ground turkey. That looks seasoned pretty good. And I'm going to start forming my patties. Fire's a little hot. Well, my griddle is hot, which it's supposed to be. I got some nice, that's a nice patty. So glad I got gloves, y'all. I don't know what to do. Shout out again to you, Bestie B. Because, honey, let me tell you, I ain't got that to do. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. That's a nice patty. Put that on there. You can hear it just sizzle. Okay, lovey, so I'm just flipping my burgers. On my good old griddle. Don't those look pretty? Hey lovies, I just got done doing my burgers and I put them in the oven to keep them warm. So now we're going to start building our quesadilla burger. So I have over here my griddle that I cleaned really good because y'all know I had the burgers on there. And I'm just going to take a little bit of butter and I'm going to grease my griddle. Yes guys, my hands are clean, it's all good. Now we're going to be doing some substituting. We're going to make it work, okay? We're going to make it work. So I got some flour tortillas that I'm just going to place on my griddle. Like that. And my griddle is on 200. And I have some sliced cheese. I know it calls for shredded cheese, but we just going to, we're going to make it work with what we got right now. So that's what we're going to do. And y'all know I'm using that good old Kraft cheese. Let me tell y'all something about the Kraft cheese. I tried to be, different and try to get the 2% Kraft. Nah, I'm going to stick with it. Okay, on a good note, guys, my cheese is melting. It's definitely doing what it's supposed to do. So I just took a spoon, because y'all know I'm using sliced cheese. Calls for shredded. And I'm just going to just try and spread it to them corners as much as I can while it's melting. And I got some fries in here in my other skillet. Doing what it's doing. Ooh, that cheese is melting beautifully. Just gonna spread it around that tortilla. Shell like that. As much as I can. Okay, so then, I know, right? I'm gonna add some spinach leaves. Y'all know how I feel about my spinach leaves. I know how I feel about my vegetables, period. That I just chopped up really nice. Put it on both tortilla shells. And then I'm going to make sure all that's spread it evenly on my tortilla. Okay guys, remember those turkey burgers we did? I had them in the oven on warm. Y'all see those burgers. And those were just the turkey burgers that we did on our griddle. And I'm just going to take one and I'm going to lay it right on there. Then I'm going to take some jalapenos on here on my other tortilla. I know my son loves him some jalapenos.
Come on.
Hey, baby. Then I'm going to take some of that Baja sauce and I'm going to drizzle it right over the top of that burger. Like that, pretty drizzle. And guys, this is going to get a little messy, but it's okay. And I'm going to drizzle some of that taco sauce on there. Love you too, baby. And then I'm going to take my tortilla shell. I'm going to flip it. And you talking about, ooh wee, y'all. Look at that burger. That looks so pretty. I mean, I'm looking for my knife. I know you're like, what is she doing? I'm looking for my knife so I can cut it. Oh, let's change that. Where is my, I think it's called like your pizza cutter. Bingo. My pizza cutter. I'm just gonna right down the middle. And from the griddle, guys, that's a little hot. Let me get a plate. Let me get a plate. Woo! We got our quesadilla burger.
Yeah.
So, the quesadilla burgers, how they taste, guys?
Good.
Isaac.
They slap.
They slap. Mommy's first time making them, and y'all, turkey burger. I ain't even eating hamburger, y'all eating turkey. So why go to Applebee's and get ourselves all geeked up for no reason when mommy can do it at home the healthy way?
Oh, slap piece.
Love these when I tell you the quesadilla burger slap. From that turkey meat, you season it real good with the chili powder, the cumin, the Creole seasoning, the garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. You taste that cheese and that spinach and that Baja sauce. Guys, quesadilla burger. By yours truly, A. Marie. Hey. It's live.